Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating a safe test environment. Back up your entire mods folder and move it so the base game is clean. Once done, enable script mods and mods in game options, then restart the game to apply settings. Now choose one mod pack or single package/xmzp and place only that into your active mods folder. This isolates behavior and prevents compound conflicts, so you can see exactly what that mod does without interference from others. Next, you need to reproduce the problem reliably. Load a new save or a small household and perform the actions that trigger the bug. Make sure to check the Sims 4 logs, last exception, TXT and the Sims 4 log in documents to capture errors. Once you see the issue, add only one additional mod at a time from your backup to the mods folder and retest after each addition. This methodical approach narrows down which mod or combination causes the failure. Finally, resolve the broken mod. If you identified the culprit, check the creator's page for updates or compatibility notes and replace the file. If no update exists, remove the mod and test to confirm the issue is gone. When things still fail, clear game caches, delete local thumb cache, package and reset preferences, then test again. Troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, run the game with only EA content and confirmed compatible mods to confirm the problem is third-party content rather than base game corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.